begin the data recovery, make sure to locate your device in your PC shortcut. For me, is this one. And make sure to read the letter next to it. In this case, is the letter E. You might have the letter D or the letter C. This is very important. Next up, open your Recuva software. Select the disk from which you want to recover the data and click Scan. A scan will begin. It will show you in green all the possibly recoverable files and in red the one which cannot be recovered. Let's enlarge this screen and see. So no overwritten cluster detected, this file overwritten. So the non-overwritten are the one which you can recover. So we're going to select just those which can be recovered. And we're going to click Recover. As a next step, we need to select a location where we want to save the recovered files. Make sure it's another disk different than the one or than the device from which you are recovering. I'm going to save it in a temporary file. And I'm going to click OK. You can see the progress. And this progress may be very fast in your case. In some cases, it might take minutes, hours, based on how big is the lost data and the data that you are trying to recover. We're going to click OK. We can go ahead and close. I'm going to open the temporary file, and here I have the data which has been recovered. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.